Alright guys, welcome to another exciting day of social studies. You guys will take an MLQ on Friday, so we're going to want to make sure that we're paying attention, getting the notes that we need to, and this week will be very heavy in practice. Videos will be very short. Tons of CFUs built into the videos. So let's go ahead and get started. Today we are going to look at calculating time in different time zones. This is a review from the very first day of school. We've had a lot of new faces, but this is one of those things where it's better to practice a bunch than it is to hear me talk about it. So let's dive right into it. Different time zones in the United States. In the continental United States, there's 4 of them. I have them labeled above the map because on the map it's not labeled very clearly, but the United States is broken into 4 different time zones. It starts in the far east for the Eastern time zone, which is in the green, Eastern time zone, moving into the Central time zone, which is what we're in, finally going into Mountain, which is just to the west of us, and then all the way out to the west is the, so can't really say it very well, is the Pacific time zone. So again, I'm going to have lots of CFUs pop up. Answer those, do your best on them. Now, let's look into the real important part of today's lesson, which is calculating time with time zones. So, once again, when you move east or to the right, you're going to add time, and when you move west or to the left, you're going to subtract time. Again, more practice for today's lesson. This one's labeled a little better, not much though. Eastern time zone out east, Central time zone in the middle, Mountain time zone in the kind of mid-central to the left, west, and Pacific time zone all the way out west. Not a lot of talking for me today. You should have seen actually a lot of CFUs. So go ahead and work on the practice for the day.